welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, that one right there, and click on this little bell so we can be friends. Hi guys! Hey everybody! Happy Monday! Oh yes, it is Monday. What a glorious day of the week. So, did you have a good weekend? How was your weekend? I want to know, did you have a good one? I had a pretty decent weekend, I have to say. I mean, there was a lot of cleaning and grass cutting and working, but those are things that make me happy. So anyways, I hope you guys had a fantastic weekend. So on Sunday, I got my little agenda out and I sat reading all the comments from the video that we did for the mantle, the mantle either coastal or summer neutral. And okay, you guys are so funny, I have to say. You made me laugh so hard. Some of the comments were so awesome, and some were just like, the what? We'll get to that in a second. So I let you guys cast the vote, obviously, whichever look you like. We did a neutral theme mantle for the summer, and we also did a coastal theme mantle for the summer. So I let you vote. Okay, so we got 68 votes for neutral. And we got 96 votes for coastal. I mean, I think a lot of people want to go to the beach, me included. So coastal won, but I have to say, I read some comments. Okay, I read not a lot, but I read this one comment, and one lady said, "I really hate what you did on either side of your fireplace." Okay. Guys, does it look awful, the grate? Because I thought it looked really nice. I thought it was really nice on the other side of the fireplace. And then some people said they absolutely hated coastal. I mean, they were very, very, very adamant about that. And I thought that was funny. I thought, oh, okay. Oh, okay. I mean, I wouldn't say hate it. I'd say dislike it. But some of the comments were so funny. And I just thought, this is awesome. This is, it was such a nice, like, even though there was, I mean, I wouldn't call them negative comments because everybody is entitled to their opinion, right? So I wouldn't call them negative, but I love how you guys voiced your opinion. And that makes me so happy, actually, because that means that you're paying attention to the video and you're voicing what you like and what you don't like. So that thumbs up to everybody that voted. So I just want to say thank you. Even if you liked it, even if you didn't, or a lot of people voted on both. They said they love both equally. So that was another thing. Okay. Zip it, Bella. I know, I can ramble forever. Today, I'm sure you saw the title of the video. Today, I'm going to give you four different looks on how to style your coffee table in the coastal theme. Coastal, nautical, beachy theme. Because now that our states and everything is opening back up, we're inviting people over again, right? And kind of, having our friends over. And what a better way to make an impact. Now, if you have minimal budget, minimal budget, and you want to achieve a coastal look, this is the way to do it. Just do something on the coffee table, and that's it. You got yourself a beautiful summer decor on almost no budget. You don't have to do the whole room. I mean, not everybody's gonna be able to do the whole room, right? But if you do the coffee table, it'll bring enough impact. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around and let me show you what I'm gonna come up with. Okay guys, I'm getting started with look number one. I use this really nice tray and this bamboo lantern, a candle holder, and my little blue sailboat, and it's so cute. I also used a stack of books. These are just summer books, and I added this glass container, so cute. And then here on this little tray, these are little starfish tea light holders, and I added some potpourri just to make it smell nice. And I think look number one is pretty cute. What do you guys think? I like it. Let's move on to look number two. Okay, I'm keeping my books and then I'm adding this thing that I made last year. And, nothing says beach more than a shutter. So that's why I use the shutter. I love this look. I think this look is clean and it's fresh and it's really summery and all the textures go really, really well together. You have a knot, a blue knot, a candle with a little blue seashell on top. And I just love this thing. I'm going to link the video on how I made these last year because there's another one. And please don't be distracted by the super cute dog in the background. But there's not much I can do to keep her away from videos. So this is look number two. I love this look also, and I'm really, really happy. Okay, look number three. Simple, simple tray. It's kind of beachy. It's kind of got that weathered look. Love that lantern with the starfish. It is from Pier 1. It is from last year. And then I'm just adding some seashells. And that's it, guys. Super easy, but you got yourself your beach look. It's coastal. It's definitely coastal. I love this look also. It gives lots of height, lots of interest, lots of texture. At night, the candle will shine through the starfish. It'll look adorable. Okay, what are we on now? Look number 4, I think. Yes, look number 4. I know these looks go by so quick because they're so easy to do. Okay, look number 4. Super easy rattan. And this is my favorite. Again, I'm going to have the video linked down below if you want to watch it. I love that cloche so much. 2 candle holders. Let's see right here. 2 candles. My candles have a lot of texture in them. Kind of mimic the sand from the beach. And then I'm just putting seashells around. And this is so super simple, guys. I mean, you can't have anything more simple than this look. And I love, love this look. I think this is the look I'm going to keep on my coffee table for right now. Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. What do you think? You like it? Can you hear the beach, the ocean waves crashing? I mean, I can. The beach is calling my name. Guys, honestly, the beach is calling my name. They better open these borders up soon because I don't know how much longer they're going to be able to keep me here. I need some sand and some ocean breezes and some salt water in my life because that's what makes me happy. That's what makes me a happy girl. I'm just saying, just saying. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. I'm going to give you some tips and a little bit of like some background that you can use in any decor. It doesn't have to be coastal. It can be in anything like this that you do. Always think of doing groupings in 3s or 5s. 3 or 5s are the rule in any kind of good design, and this goes with any design. Texture, pattern, color, that kind of thing always helps for good design. So always when you're doing something, think of having a lot of textures. Like in this last one, which is, I think I might keep this one for a little bit because honestly this cloche is my favorite. I think I mentioned that. I made it last year and I've linked the video down below last year that I did these so you guys can go back and see them. But the texture of the woven basket is one texture. Then the texture of the chippy candle holders is another texture. And then the texture of the candles is another texture. So I'm playing with a lot of textures to give it interest. Because it's so simple. Think about it. It's just a tray, 1 cloche, and 2 candle holders. That is it. Super, super simple, right? Anyways, that is all that I wanted to say about design. I don't want to bombard you with all the technicalities that go behind designs and stuff like that. So I hope you got some inspiration to do something fun in your homes. You could use any of these on a shelf, your coffee tables, in on the kitchen table as a centerpiece. All these vignettes that I made on my coffee table, you could use them in a plethora of places. On your front hallway tables, they would look really nice. Anywhere, on your dresser in your bedroom, if you want to bring in a little coastal or anything, that would be nice also. Sky's the limit. Design and decorating is super fun. So have fun. Okay, I'm gonna stop yip yapping. Have an amazing, amazing week. I just want to tell you all how much I appreciate you and how much I love you. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the comments over the weekend. They were really, really heartfelt. Thank you for the people that came on the live. You guys really helped me change my mind. I can't leave you guys. I just can't. You made it too hard. You made it too hard to leave. So you're stuck with me for now, at least for now. I am motivated and inspired to do lots of decorating. So I hope you come back very, very soon, because I'm just going to go nuts with a whole bunch of videos and make it as fun as possible, bring the joy back into my YouTube life and for my YouTube friends and family, because you guys are kind of my family now. I mean, really. We've been together for so long. And to my new subscribers, welcome. Welcome to the Adventures of Bella. Okay, have a fantastic week. Do something awesome. And I will see you very, very soon. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody.